All right, boys, so we're out here. We got another truck. We are gonna build ourselves a nice little Burnout truck. And it's a little too dark back here, so once we get to a gas station, I'll show you all the new truck. Well, we don't want to face it yet. Did you start it?
Yeah, start it.
All right, so we are going to be going down to Cleetus and Cars. We are taking our new Burnout truck.
Ooh.
And here she is. So we just picked this little girl up for $700.
Are those hood pins?
We got some hood pins. That's
nice.
That's at least 75 horses right there.
Nice.
There's no motor in it. We got some Hoosers on it though. Look at this.
Oh, man. Some Hoosers.
We got some Meat Boys on it right here.
It's little meaties.
So it's lowered in the rear. We have no idea what rear end is in it, but it does have some lowering blocks. You can see them down there.
Baby.
So we're definitely gonna put a 6.0 in it. So we have a few of them laying around at the house. So we'll put a 6.0 in it, but we're still trying to figure out exactly what transmission we're gonna run in it. So we have turbo 350, we have a TR 6060, 4L80. That's built.
Ooh.
So I'm not sure, but definitely gonna be 6.0, Holley Terminator X on it, and then we're gonna burn some tires off. So hold us to it. We got a month to build this thing and get it ready to go.
And tell your friends.
All right, we got our Burnout motor here. It's gonna go in the S10 or S15, whatever we want to call it. What's that smoke there, pal?
Huh?
Just kidding. No smoke.
Hey, smoking?
We don't see nothing. Purring like a kid. Rev her up for me, would you? Hell yeah. What y'all think? Y'all ready? Ready for that Burnout truck? So here we get her, pull her out, and drop her in the truck there. All right, we're gonna drive it back up to the old shop. But it's only got reverse, doesn't have any forward gears.
I think he just video edited it in reverse, you know?
Well, now they're not, because they just heard you say it.
Well, yeah.
So first things first, we're gonna get this old 6.0 out of our little Cadillac. And then, yeah, so part one, get the 6.0 out of the Cadillac, and then get it ready and prepped to go into the S10. Let's do it.
No, that chunks. We're keeping the cover. I'm gonna shine her up. Doesn't look good under there.
What's going on, YouTube? It's Eric here with the Aired Out channel. Let's get started with today's episode.
Oh, it's a bumper clip. Hold on. Go back where you were.
Tell me to pull.
Hold on, let me get
I can yank it off, you know?
Hold on. I don't want to fuck
This guy don't want to fuck it up.
I could break the clip, but I don't want to break the whole thing.
You want to break the whole thing? Whistling diesel up in here,
Yeah, it says the guy that's not y'all's money.
What would Whistling Diesel do? But you got to ask yourself.
You want me to do it?
No, I don't want you to do it.
Give me the green light.
Hold on, man.
Hey, I got that mat for Eric.
Well, I got that out too, so you just slide in there.
What
the fuck is this shit?
That's true. That's where it is big.
Special Cadillac shit. All right, attempt number 45. Looking promising. Please don't break. Oh, Jesus. Oh, yeah. Oh. Jesus. Put that there. 87. Oh. Not gonna trip on that again. Come on, get out of there, you piece of shit. Shit. She's coming now. Whether she wants to or not. Hey, here she goes. Woo! We got the crowd out there. Hey. Hold on, we got a wire. Saws off. Wait a minute, wait a minute. We got wires on the other side. Son of a bitch.
5 minutes later.
Alrighty, so we got her out. We just got to get the transmission off her, put the adapter kit for the flywheel and the spacer, put the turbo 350 on it, clean up all the, we don't need any of the wiring harness from that one because we're gonna do the Holley. Power steering off, all that stuff, and get her ready to drop in the old S10. Hell yeah. All right, so she's out on the ground, ready for us to prep it, put it in, and that'll be it for this first one of the Burnout truck videos. So we'll see you in the next one. Tell your friends.